कौमी सलामती के मुशीर अजीत डोवेल ने शिवरामपल्ली में वाक़े सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल नेशनल पुलिस अकेडमी में पासिंग आउट परेड की सलामी ली। इस मौके पर उन्होंने अपने खिताब में कहा कि आईपीएस अहदेदार न सिर्फ अंदरून मुल्क 132 करोड़ शहरियों की सलामती का जिम्मेदार होता है, बल्कि उसे मुल्क की 32 लाख मुरब्बा किलोमीटर सरहदों की हिफाजत भी करनी पड़ती है। उन्होंने कहा कि अमन सलामती के बगैर कोई भी मुल्क तरक्की नहीं कर सकता। अजीत डोवेल ने कहा कि आईपीएस की तरबियत हासिल करने वालों को सरहदों की भी हिफाजत की जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ेगी। उन्हें बताया कि 52 साल कबल वो भी इसी अकेडमी से तरबियत हासिल कर चुके हैं। 1948 से अब तक इस अकेडमी ने 5700 आईपीएस अहदेदार बनाए हैं। मुल्क की पूरी पुलिस फोर्स 21 लाख मुलाजिमीन पर मुश्तमिल है और अब तक 35,000 से ज़ायद पुलिस वाले अपनी जान की कुर्बानी दे चुके हैं। एकेडमी का 73वां बैच 149 अहदेदारों पर मुश्तमिल है। इनमें से 4 को तेलंगाना का कैडर अलॉट किया गया है। खातून आईपीएस अहदेदार दर्पण अहलुवालिया ने पासिंग आउट परेड की क़यादत की। ये तीसरी मरतबा है कि एकेडमी के पासिंग परेड की क़यादत खातून कमांडर ने की है। दर्पण अहलुवालिया को पंजाब का कैडर अलॉट किया गया है।
To the border areas. In every part of it, maintaining peace and order is also your responsibility. So it is not only 130 crore human beings, but it's also 32 lakh square kilometers of land whose protection is your responsibility. Maybe in the borders we have got other armed forces, we have got army, we have got others, but still the peace and order continues to be the responsibility of the police. Your responsibilities in the years ahead will include not only the policing about which you have been trained very well, but it will extend. You will be responsible for border management of this country. 15,000 kilometers of the border, most of which has got these peculiar problems of its own. Whether it's a border with Pakistan or China or Myanmar or Bangladesh, we have got different types of security-related issues which are manned by the police and the central police organizations which are manning these borders. You will also be expected to undertake highly specialized investigations, maybe with the CBI, with the NIA, maybe with the cybercrime, maybe economic offences and others, which I think you have got to train. And look at it as your career is not only confined to this thing, but always think big, prepare yourself and train yourself. You will also, some of you would be also working for the intelligence, both within the country and outside. And you are the one who will be responsible to see that governments are able not only to take the informed decisions, the decisions which are based on some very important facts that need to be known, but also they are enforced, and they are enforced in a way that they can serve the people and the country's interests best. And technology is another frontier in which I think many of you will have to excel. And I am very sure that some of our very specialized police organizations which are having the skill, state-of-the-art technologies for the service of the nation, you will be able to serve the and update and upgrade the technological capabilities of the police force. These are all vital elements in nation building. You are leaving this academy not only as police leaders, but also as the soldiers of the new coming vibrant India. Without your success, this nation cannot succeed. If the internal security fails, no country can be great. If the people are not secure, people are not safe, they cannot rise to their potential, probably the country can never grow. You are a very lucky generation. You are going to see many momentous changes. A lot of hard and heavy lifting has been done by our predecessors when independence was fought. The country was economically weak, country was more divided, there were princely states, there were problems of partition, and there were a series of other problems that they had to face. Probably now the new type of challenges have come, and I am very sure and confident that all of you are very well equipped and mentally disposed to face those challenges. It is extremely important that you develop the right attitudes, and I am very happy that the director lays so much emphasis on the right attitudes. You cannot achieve all these unless you are able to have the right attitude the right bent of mind and the right way of training yourself and self-actualizing. You have got to have, wherever you go, you'll find there will be a lot of talk about reforms. Reforms is learning from the past and not doing the same mistakes again. I want the younger generations not only to be thinking of reforms, that is, you will not commit the mistakes that I did. You have got to be transformative. Now the police forces will have to bring about transformative, that is, think about the future and find the solutions today and bring about the change in the force and in your capabilities, keeping in view the coming challenges. Thank you very much, and once again my compliments to all of you, and thanks to the director.
आपके ये शब्द हमारे जीवन में